My name is Jahnavi Inniss. I am a textile designer and a craft educator. My textile or speciality is quilting. After making a sketch of the idea that the students want to create, they're looking at how to incorporate those designs through different methods such as stitching and heat transfer with fabric.
We're making textiles to go on a quilt to represent ourselves. Well, my parents are from America and Turkey, so I'm making different parts of the cultures to put on one textile.
Art is one of my favourite subjects. I really like it. The quote I've made today is based on music because I really love music and I think it really brings people together.
I made this one about the environment and birds and animals because that's one thing I'm really passionate about.
They're finding it really easy to get stuck into an idea. I think they're having a really interesting time looking at how they can get different types of fabric and different patterns within the fabric to represent their designs. I want the students to see the value of textiles and quilting and craft as a way of documenting our lives and our values and our passions.